Every single second, thousands of Oreo cookies are eaten somewhere around the world. But have you ever stopped and wondered how these perfectly shaped black and white cookies are actually made? Behind every Oreo cookie lies a fascinating manufacturing process involving giant machines, precision engineering, and one of the world's most advanced food production systems. From raw cocoa powder and flour to the iconic cream filling loved by millions, every step of this process is carefully controlled. What you're about to witness is not just cookie making. This is a massive industrial operation capable of producing millions of Oreo cookies every single day. And wait until you see the incredible machine that can assemble hundreds of Oreo cookies every second. Most people have never seen this process before. So today, we're taking you deep inside one of the world's most fascinating food factories to discover exactly how Oreo cookies are made. The manufacturing process begins with carefully measured ingredients. Every ingredient must be precisely controlled to maintain the famous Oreo taste. Large amounts of wheat flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, and several proprietary ingredients are automatically transferred into giant industrial mixers. These enormous machines use powerful rotating blades to create a smooth and consistent chocolate dough mixture. Engineers continuously monitor temperature, humidity, and mixing speed to ensure that every batch tastes exactly the same. Even the smallest error could affect millions of cookies, which is why advanced automation and quality control systems are essential. Once the dough reaches the perfect consistency, it automatically moves to the next stage of production. After mixing, the chocolate dough is transferred onto massive industrial rollers. These machines flatten the dough into perfectly uniform sheets with incredible precision. Next, high-speed cutting machines stamp out thousands of Oreo cookies every minute. At the same time, the iconic Oreo pattern is embossed onto each cookie with remarkable accuracy. The cookies then travel through giant industrial ovens where carefully controlled temperatures create their famous crunch. By the time they leave the ovens, thousands of perfectly baked Oreo cookies have already been produced. Freshly baked Oreo cookies exit the ovens at extremely high temperatures. If they were packaged immediately, their texture and quality would be affected. To solve this problem, the cookies travel through long industrial cooling tunnels. Powerful ventilation systems carefully reduce their temperature while maintaining their crisp texture. This cooling process ensures that every Oreo cookie remains perfectly crunchy and consistent. Only after passing through this stage can the cookies move to the next part of the manufacturing process. Now comes the part that makes Oreo instantly recognizable around the world. The famous sweet cream filling is prepared separately under strict quality controls. Automated dispensing machines place an exact amount of cream onto every single cookie. Another cookie is then carefully placed on top using high-speed robotic systems. These machines can assemble hundreds of Oreo cookies every second with incredible precision. This fascinating process creates the iconic Oreo sandwich cookie loved by millions. Before Oreo cookies can be packaged, every batch undergoes strict quality inspections. Advanced sensors and cameras automatically check the size, shape, and appearance of each cookie. Any cookie that doesn't meet quality standards is instantly removed from the production line. Once approved, the cookies move to high-speed packaging machines. These incredible machines package thousands of Oreo cookies every hour and prepare them for shipment worldwide. The next time you twist, lick, and dunk an Oreo cookie, you'll know the fascinating journey behind every single bite. And now tell us in the comments, which factory process should we explore next?